your yes and no
Yeah.
their yes and no?
Yeah.
And is your yes and no your true yes and no? Am I still operating from wounded inner child where, well, this is true and I'm telling myself it's true, but really that's my parents' truth, versus is this now my adult centered embodied authentic truth?
Yeah.
And your true yes and no might be different than the yes and no that you've been conditioned or programmed to think is your yes and no.
I have this really like turn off lately to the word authentic. I'm so for authenticity, right? But I feel like it's been so overplayed. And I think that it could be a misconception that authenticity means. I would like to say authenticity begins when somebody says, wait, is this me or is this you?